ask me all the time, like, Tanya, is the beauty industry saturated? Is it even a good time to even start a hair care line or even a skin care line right now? And I always tell people, what's going on? Super excited for this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you are here. I am a cosmetic chemist specializing in natural hair care and the creator of this amazing channel called Curly Chemistry, where I help you guys understand your hair, ingredients, all the things from a cosmetic chemist perspective. And I also help you guys start hair care lines as well. And today I am sharing how to start a profitable hair care line. This is a little different than what I normally do on my channel, but it is something that I am very passionate about. And as a lot of you guys know who are part of the Curly Chemistry community, as a chemist, I do help entrepreneurs start hair care lines. So let's dedicate this video to them. You guys know I don't waste any time. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, before we get started, this video is for beginners, but it's also for those who currently have a hair care line or even a skincare line as well. This information can still be beneficial to you. So number one, the first thing you want to focus on is who your target audience is. Who are you making these products for? Because it's important to know the personality of your customer. That's number one. And when I say personality, meaning you want to know what their challenges are. What are their hair care challenges? Because as entrepreneurs, it is our job to create solutions to problems. So that's number one. Know who your target audience is. Number two, after you know your audience, the second thing you want to know is, what am I creating? And that's where formulation design comes into play. And we cover this a lot during the consultations that I offer, where I can help you guys understand the design of your formula, like what makes up your formula. What should your formula look like based off of what you want it to do? Do you want to soften the hair, moisturize the hair? Do you want it to have slip? Do you want it to grow your hair? All of that is covered within the consultation, but that's also something you want to start thinking about. What type of ingredients do I want this formula to have? What do I want this formula to do? The consistency, all of that plays a role. Number three is going to be your production options. Now, for anyone starting a hair care line, you have three production options. You can either create the product at home, you can do private label, or you can work with a contract manufacturing company. All three of these options work, but they all three come with pros and cons. So for example, creating at home is exactly what it sounds like. You're creating the product at home, you have total control, but it can be time consuming. Now with private label, it is less time consuming, but what you lose is the customization piece. So there's that. And then at contract manufacturing, you have total control over all the things. You can customize as much as your heart is content, but this does tend to be the more pricier option. But during the consultation, we will walk through each option, decide what's the best one for you. And of course, you guys know I got manufacturers, I got resources, I got all the things that you need to get your business going. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is safety testing. All of my clients know how I feel about safety testing. Because I come from the beauty industry, I highly recommend doing safety testing. During the consultation, I have several safety testing labs I can connect you with to get your formulas tested, but that is something you definitely want to do, especially if you plan to sell products to the public. It's one thing to just make your own little DIY stuff at home when it's just you and your family and whatnot, but when it's coming to people, you want to make sure your stuff is done correctly, because the last thing you want to happen is you sell a product and your customer opens it up and there's mold and bacteria growing within it. Okay, so let's not have that happen and get you connected to the labs you need to be connected with. And the last thing I want to cover in this video is marketing. My clients who are watching probably already know what I'm going to say. You can have an amazing product, but if you do not know how to market that product, you're gonna have a hard time selling it. And when I say marketing, is you want to think about what is going to make this product stand out. What type of key ingredients, what ingredients are trending right now that you can incorporate into your formula? That's all a part of marketing. People ask me all the time, like, Tanya, is the beauty industry saturated? Is it even a good time to even start a hair care line or even a skin care line right now? And I always tell people, if you have innovation, you are going to thrive in this industry. Think about it. The beauty industry has been around for decades, and there's always new brands coming out pretty much almost every month, almost every day. And that's not stopping them from coming out with their products. So what I tell my clients is innovation is the way to go. And of course, during the call, we do cover innovation and what that looks like for your brand, especially in this competitive beauty space. All right, guys, so that's all the things for this video. I wanted to just kind of keep it short and sweet, but as you guys know, I do offer consultations to help brands start their hair care lines, whether you have no clue what you want to create, you kind of have an idea, or you already know what you want to create. We can definitely connect. I can help you with the marketing pillars. There are 3 marketing pillars. They never change. We can discuss that. Once again, we can talk about ingredients, your formula, ingredients I recommend, ingredients to avoid, marketing strategy. I have manufacturers, resources, suppliers, all the things you need, packaging, labeling, all the things, okay? So definitely sign up for a call with me. And of course, because you stayed to the end of this video, I have a special promo code for you below. I'll put it in the description box just for you. All right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please be sure to like this video. And of course, to stay in the loop for more curly chemistry content, definitely subscribe to this channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.